Hey, welcome back to Joyce Michelle. I'm her Joyce Michelle. So today I'm just going to do a voiceover for me making up my bed. And I purchased a couple of items, the sheet set and the mattress protector I already had. Y'all know I did an unboxing of the Bellow bed. Y'all, I got this bed for $209 from Wayfair. I be posting stuff and links, but anywho, so I already had one of my sheet sets, so I'm just putting that on. And I like layering cover on my bed no matter how cold or hot it is, because during the summertime I'm gonna turn the air up, and during the wintertime I'm gonna be snug as a bug as a rug inside my bed. So at first I'm putting on my sheets, and then with each layer I spray my linen bed spray. That way I just keep getting goodness and freshness every time I turn over. So now I'm putting on a blanket that I got from, I think I got that blanket from Marshall's about 3 years ago. It was when I got my first apartment after being homeless. So I still have that blanket. I probably will always have that blanket. Yeah, so I took the sides of the blanket and my sheets in. There I go, spraying another layer of fresh linen. Now let me tell y'all about this. I got this queen duvet cover. Got this from Chic. I got the cover insert from Walmart for $24. So this, look, I'm gonna link everything I possibly can except for the sheets. But I did have to watch a video on how to put my duvet insert inside the duvet. I'm not even ashamed to say that, but yeah, I had to. So what you see me doing now is just tying the corners of it. And you want to tie the corners of your duvet cover and insert. That way when you actually flip them, and you know I know this, I did it. You need to tie them so when you flip them inside out, they will stay. So I'm actually rolling the comforter insert and coverlet inside out. And so, but mine comes with a zipper. You see me struggling there for a minute, but I finally got it. By the time I get through with this video, y'all will see sweat on the forehead because fighting with that darn duvet cover and insert, that's a lot of work. But I actually like them better than a comforter set. I don't know why. A comforter set wouldn't be as much work, but I do like having a duvet. Now, I read something about since I had a queen cover, I should have got a king duvet insert. I don't know if I want to try that or not. I might later on. So I'm just smoothing everything out. Y'all know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna spray the bed. I told y'all I sprayed the bed with my linen. So I'm putting my pillows on now. And the duvet cover set came with queen pillow shams. Now, this is another one of the blankets that I purchased. I got this one from Target, but at the same time I bought the other one. So this little throw blanket comes from Chic along with the pillow shams or the pillow covers. All of those came from Shein, including the little ball. And then I did purchase this bench from Walmart for $99. Y'all, that was a steal, and it's sturdy as all outdoors. Hey, hit the like button. Let me know what you like about this video, and the links will be in the description box below.